Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at P&A E-Locks. If you like this puzzle and want to pick it up, it's available at puzzlemaster.ca. Okay, so here we have P&A E-Locks. This puzzle is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. This puzzle was manufactured and designed by Jean-Claude Constantin. He is out of Germany, and he's been doing this over 40 years. Made thousands of puzzles. This puzzle is laser cut wood and anodized metal nubs. Now, this is a packing puzzle, and so we're trying to put all these pieces into the frame, but it has a twist. We got these nubs, and then we also have these different shaped pieces, these darker wood pieces with the circles. Now these actually go over the nubs, so this is a 2-layer packing puzzle. So you have 2 goals: to leave 2 pieces out, or to get all of the pieces into this frame, this main middle frame. Now, there's not really any secret to which 2 pieces you leave out for the first solution. It's more or less these 2. It comes more or less for this first solution, it comes solved in its package. But the second solution, to fit all the pieces into this main frame, is very difficult. This is a very hard puzzle. Well, if you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.